Hi, I'm Simmy. I'm a student at the University of Bristol and I have my own meal prep business called RnS Spice. Today I'm going to give you a few tips about running a business as a student. So, why start at all? There's three main points. The first one is you'll learn a huge amount even if you fail. I make mistakes every day, every week, and this year I've made so many mistakes, but I've learned way more this year than I've ever learned before. The second point is you're your own boss. You don't have to take orders from anyone else. There's no horrible bosses. It's whatever you say goes. And lastly, it could lead to something big. I started this as a bit of fun in my university kitchen, and now look at it, it's doing 6 figures in revenue. So you decided to start. Now why start at uni? You're surrounded by so many talented people. You've got people who can market for you, people who can code, people who can film. You'll never find so many great people in one place with so much free time. Secondly, you've got so much free time. You'll never find as much free time when you go and work when you graduate as when you're at uni, especially in first year, starting first year. And lastly, you've got so many resources at university that people just don't know about. I started a business without any of the resources, and then I found out in second and third year that you can apply for free money basically. They've got loads of competitions and grants, and there's just people who can give you advice. Okay, so now you're ready to start, you're at university. How do you start? How do you take the first step? And that's the hardest part, taking the first step. At the beginning, no one's really going to take you seriously. Like, who's going to take someone selling food seriously? Just start. Do not try it on friends or family because they're going to lie to you and tell you it's good anyway. Go and sell your product or service to strangers. Get out there and take their feedback seriously. So you started the business and it's going great, and then you encounter your first problem. Every single problem you encounter has been solved before by someone else. You've just got to find what those people did. Read books, use the internet, find people who are knowledgeable and ask them questions. You've got to build up that sort of knowledge base. Finally, here are some resources to help you get started. So firstly, read and research. Use the internet and use books. Secondly, speak to your university enterprise officer. They'll be willing to help you. They've probably started a business themselves and they'll understand your situation as a student. Thirdly and finally, this is probably the most important thing, and only use it after you've started. Speak to people who started the business and ask them for help, but do not just ask them stupid questions. Think about it before. These people are going to be really busy and their time's going to be really valuable. Think about what you're going to say before you speak to them, but they'll be willing to help you. For more information, click the link in the description. Make sure you're following RnS Spice at rice_n_spice_. Yeah, share this with your friends, like and subscribe.